Hi everyone, it's Ed Fairman, the Wizard of Swords. Welcome to the very first part of my streaming PC build. Got all my components here from the case all the way down to the RAM. We're going to do some unboxing videos because, well, honestly, I've never done anything like this. So maybe we'll learn together. As you can see, we're kind of in between studio and office in here. Those of you who don't know, I work in a modular, it's a spare room. It's the spare room. It's the extra bedroom in my house. Got the AC cranking, so sorry if it's making noise at you, but it's getting close to 90 degrees here in Chicago, so gotta have that going. And we're kind of, like I said, kind of between studio, got some lights behind me here, and office, so that we have a workstation. So I'm gonna grab the camera, bring it around here, grab a sharp knife, and let's open some stuff up. So in a plan to try to make things easier on me, I've just actually turned myself around and left the camera where it was mostly. So we're gonna start with our case. And it's going to be the toughest one because it's so darn big. So let's obviously try to be very careful not to scratch anything. I have no idea how stuff like this is packed. I know this was delivered to me by the giant rainforest named warehouse company. And so as someone who's delivered some packages for that unnamed company, I can say we're not always the most, I don't want this to be used against me in some lawsuit, but I was not always the most gentle with packages, so hopefully it's packed pretty well. Now this case is picked for a couple of reasons. Now this is my first PC build, so sorry, I'm moving in and out of the camera, just checking framing and stuff there. My voice goes in and out. These parts were picked with the help of a consultant slash friend that I'm paying to consult with me, who's a bit more of an expert, well, a bit of an expert on this sort of stuff. Get that out of here. So this case is picked for a few reasons. One, it's the right size for my build. Two was price. It was pretty inexpensive. I used PC Part Picker to help me out, and one of the great things about them is they show you where to find the lowest prices on stuff. So here we go. This is the processor. This is a Ryzen 7 3rd gen. It's got the LEDs. It's going to be super cool. Here's my solid state drive, 512 gigabytes. Oh my gosh. My first computer ever was 8 megabytes, and I can't even do the math on what that would be. Okay, what do we got here? I believe this will be my platter drive, my internal hard drive that is not the solid state. So we're going to use this to run my to boot, and run operational systems, and then this will be used for storage, if this is what I think it is. Seagate Barracuda 2 terabyte platter drive. There's my graphics card. The motherboard. Are the kind of the boring part. The power supply unit, 80 plus gold rating. Oof, heavy. Our last little guy here. Our RAM. There we go, rip jaws. In case you're wondering what I'm building a streaming computer. I'm not gaming. I am going to be streaming my shows to you. So that's unboxing. What's next?